Today I am going on a guided lesbian/queer tour of Tokyo. If you're new in town and you want to meet some people, you want to find your kind of people.
How about to do queer shits?
Queer. That's such an important thing when you're traveling, especially if you're queer, because you're not always going to feel comfortable or even safe, unfortunately, in many places. So I am going to take you guys with us. We're going to show you where to go, what the vibe is like, traditions, cultural things you should know, so you can come to Tokyo and have your perfect gay experience here, because, you know, that's what I want for you too.
かわいいね.
Hi guys! Welcome to the video! I am with Reyna.
Hi.
Hey.
Sakura card capture. Yes.
She's going to be giving me a tour of Tokyo's like queer area tonight, and we're going to be going to like a drag show
Viewing party.
Drag
race viewing party.
Yeah, so we're going to be having like classic Tokyo queer night out, and I'm super excited.
This is the queer district, and we're about to do queer shits.
Queer. I love it. Can you tell us a bit about yourself?
Hi, I'm Reyna Marquez, and I'm from Seattle, Washington, USA, and I've been living in Japan for about 7 years now.
It's a long time, actually.
Yeah, and I am an artist. I go by the artist name Xenobabe.
Xenobabe.
Yeah, and I focus on
name.
like 2D fashion-focused pieces, street art. I create like this alien creature, sexy creature.
I love aliens.
I love aliens too.
Let's talk about aliens at some point tonight.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's get into it because I've seen them. I believe.
Absolutely. I believe in aliens. Is there some crossover between queerness and aliens?
Absolutely.
Probably, actually, right?
Oh, okay, so this is a very important part of Ni-Chome. I'll show you here. This is the
7-Eleven. At 7-Eleven, if you can see those green and red stripes.
That's the 7-Eleven. So this is like a really popular 7-Eleven. There's no one out here right now because it's like 6 o'clock. Don't worry, the children are not out yet. They won't be out until 10 o'clock.
Oh, right. Okay.
Yeah. Everybody drinks out here and get messy and chit chat. So basically, you'll find in Ni-Chome a lot of it is standing outside of the bars, even though it's freezing. Maybe smoking. I'm not a smoker, but I mean that is where the drama happens, and we love to see the drama, darling. So, well, they're open, but you know, they're not open for the drama yet. There's no bathroom, there's no toilet there because of the chaos, so go pee somewhere else. This is an alleyway. You'll probably find a lot of people sitting here on the curbside, but a lot more. Yeah, it's a thing. This is Dragon Man. This is a very popular club for gay guys. I don't really go there that often.
With the gay clubs and the lesbian clubs, are they like gender separated? Like, can women go to gay clubs here and vice versa?
Absolutely. Some women can go to the gay clubs, but there are some men-only clubs. So this is also another corner. It will be filled later tonight. Okay.
Come on, look at it.
Oh no! Oh my God! No! So here we are. We're in the intersection. We're in the middle of Queen and King. Basically, what you will see is you'll see people from this bar go to this bar, go to this bar, go to this bar, go to this bar. This is supposed to be more sapphic, but really, and this is supposed to be more gay, but really, this is kind of where I see more of for me personally, where I see more of an intersection of the children, you know, more queerness, more of a mixture of LGBTQ plus community here. So
gay guys are queens
and lesbians are kings. Yes, so and we love our kings.
We like beer. They like cocktails. I mean, I like both. So
I like tequila.
I had a shot of tequila last weekend. Ooh. That was the first shot of tequila in my life.
かわいいね。めっちゃかわいい。We have artsy fartsy over here. It's called Arty Farty. Yeah, this is a good one. For more chaos. Just imagine lots of tequila cola and, the room is filled with cigarette smoke and, you don't know what's going on and you have that awful feeling in the pit of your stomach like you're going to do something bad and it's a good time. I love the description. Okay, this is Eagle Tokyo, not to be confused with Eagle Blue. There's a bit more on the gay man side. Okay. It's fun though, it's cute. Yeah. And now we're approaching to Goldfinger, one of the most prominent lesbian bars here in Tokyo. This will also be filled with children and screaming lesbians at this corner later tonight, and you better be careful walking through this region because you might get swept off your feet. Looking for your first kiss tonight. If you kissed a girl and you liked it, you'll probably come here. Yeah. Good first introduction into lesbianism. This is a very good place to get a cocktail with a friend. Probably right around now. It's a little bit more quiet, no. Witchery, treachery, no. So you can smell the urine. This is Isotope. Don't be afraid by the outside. They have some very famous drag queens come here. Luganja Estranja, she was just here a couple months ago. Okay. They also have really good DJ nights here. A lot of local DJs come here. Okay. So this is the takoyaki. We're seeing the outfit, the fashion. We're seeing a little bit more foot traffic now. People are, getting out and about. They're probably about to go get their food so they can get drunk. New Saze. They play all the disco hits, even some old gems. The music is awesome. They have more of the established gays come here. This is Airo Cafe. Usually we hit Airo. And we just kind of check who's there first. And if we kind of like the vibe, then we'll stay. But if we don't, then we'll kind of walk back up. So I'll show you kind of how we're walking back up. That's another Lawson over there. I mean, it's not very popular, but, if you do have to go and puke, that's probably the best place to do. Yeah. I've never done that before, so I wouldn't know. This is Campy Bar. Yeah, it's cute. It's cute. Lots of Japanese girlies. A little bit more. Yeah, it's cute. It's cute. It's a little bit more for the established crowd, which we love. Yeah. This is Kingdom. They do have a pole in there. Yes. So this is a good place to go for good dancing. So behind me is Eagle Blue. Yes. We love Eagle Blue. They do Dragmania of RuPaul's Drag Race. They have a lot of local drag queens come in there and they host and then comment and everyone drinks and it's kind of like a sports bar.
Do most bars around here, do you need cash or is card okay?
Okay, for example, Eagle Blue is no cash, so you'll definitely need a credit card. Yeah, I definitely come with a credit card and cash. Okay. Yeah, and make sure you come with some 1000 yen or 1,000 yen bills so you can tip your queens. I'm trying to think if you're shy. I want to show you a lesbian bar. Ade Zakura. This is a good place if you're kind of shy, and you want to have a cocktail and have somebody approach you. Or karaoke, I think. Tiny little bars, but maybe this is like a women loving bar. Oh, over here you have women only bar. It's called Little Monkey. This is you'll find the most gay bars here in the world. Per block. We should go to the 7-Eleven and get out some cash, and then let's go to Eagle Blue after that.
That sounds good.
As you can see, we're here at the 7-Eleven in Ni-Chome, the historic, iconic 7-Eleven. I wasn't lying. Here's the chaos in real time. There's no sort of rules or regulations. It's just sort of
Gay panic.
gay panic. Exactly. Konbini drinks that are generally popular. So they want you to see this, but really,
Go for those.
okay. Well, I wouldn't.
It's pink. I like to
Okay, yeah, it's pink, but it doesn't taste pink. Okay, it's not really that great. I don't live. If you're really a pink girly, you would go down here. Oh, but you're gonna get a pretty bad headache at the end of the day. If you wanna be oshare, if you wanna be an oshare girly, you'll go for the miho sake.
Okay.
But if you are really, if you're real, you're gonna go for the chamisuru.
The bottom shelf.
Yes. Oh, these are new. I haven't seen these before. Probably not that good. Get the same thing. You can get the same. All right. So I wasn't lying. Ni-Chome, this is the chaos. Okay. How many hours ago was that? That was like 3 hours ago, right?
Yeah.
So you can see it's not as chaotic, but you can see the children are out, they're scrambling, they're scrabbling, you know, they're out and about. They're ready to cause a scene.
Okay, here.
Live.
Here. If you want a microphone, get in your boobs.
So funny.
We are off to Queen. I've had a tequila shot. Yeah, I was saying I've only had 2 tequila shots in my life, and both of them have been in Ni-Chome. One last weekend and one this weekend. I never drank tequila ever before.
How does that make you feel?
Yeah, I don't know actually. I have to reflect on it later. Get home, do meditation, be like, yeah, that was some tequila. I'm going home, guys. I thought I would stay out tonight and go to some more clubs, but I don't want to get that taxi home, and it's like so expensive. However, I have to say huge thanks to Reyna for taking me out tonight, showing me around, and for her wonderful commentary. If you loved her commentary like I did, give us a comment. And thank you so much to the wonderful people I met tonight. It was amazing. It made my last weekend in Tokyo so special. So if you are in Tokyo and you want to have your own queer night out and meet your people, I hope you know where to go now, and I hope you have a wonderful night. Good night.